landing into Corpus Christi. Not one of my best. Had some heavy crosswinds. Just will note you won't see the horizontal situation indicator or any of the maps because after I landed at Corpus Christi, it shut down. So that's all blacked out because of it. But this is a replay. Again, didn't have very good landing. But that happens. That happens. Passenger view. So things I'm using a HoneyComb Alpha flight controls. I've got 2 CH throttle quadrants that I just got last week, and I have a Saitek throttle quadrants, and I have an old CH throttle quadrant I'm just using the buttons for. Can't show them since I don't have a webcam right now, but I use the buttons for that. But here we go, and I had the crab here. You can see, started picking up some crosswind. I do have the Corpus Christi payware version of the airport that you can pick up from VerticalSims. I do use Ortho 4XP, so that's actual satellite imagery. And again, I had to crab in a bit here. Yeah, you can tell there's quite a bit of crosswind approaching. Crab quite a bit there. Take a look from the front. So a little bit of a crab, not too bad. Got straightened out here.
300. 200.
I really had to get her corrected right at the end there, and it kind of threw me off. I didn't have enough power. You see, I have airspeed indicator. I'm right down to 141. I should have been six knots faster
40,
on this.
30.
And I was late to flare. 10, so here it comes. That was a pretty big bump. Not the best landing you've ever had, but as I always say, as long as any landing you can walk away from, your plane's not damaged, is a good landing. So I guess we'll go with that. We're gonna just back up on this. Oh, that'll work. So anyway.